is how most of my trips start. Rushing and a huge amount of anxiety. Because I'm late, I'm always late. And that's never going to change. I need to get from here to here, but because of engineering works, it's taking me from here to here to here. So I'm bringing my sister with me to Barcelona, as they pronounce it in España. So she's picking me up from here in her car, and we're gonna drive over there. So let's do it.
Hi, I'm leaving the garage in 2 minutes.
Alright, I'm outside yours. I'm on the stairs. It's definitely a garage, because we're obviously in London, so it's always been a garage. It's not pronounced garage. Hi. She's had her garlic smoothie this morning, so.
Garlic and ginger.
Garlic and ginger smoothie. Stops you feeling poorly for as long, but makes everybody around you feel poorly.
Sorry.
Because of the smell of garlic. I get in the car and I'm like, okay, that's an interesting smell. The car's been serviced.
I thought that it was the service.
It's not a servicing smell.
I thought that it was the service.
Yeah, it's not.
It's really bad.
It's just your mouth.
So bad.
So we're going the wrong way.
What do we do?
I actually don't know.
What do we do?
Yeah, we need to get to the short stay.
Short stay, what do you want?
Orange.
It's downstairs, down there. You got a booking reference?
Yes.
Yeah, we got.
Right. Get down to the end,
Yeah.
at the barrier, push the little talk intercom button.
So how much of that went in? Because I didn't.
I didn't take any of that.
Everything that he said, it just went. Do you know when you're listening to someone talk but not hearing a word that comes out their mouth?
So we need to go to the short stay orange car park.
So you want to sell the jeans? Should she sell the jeans? Comment below. I think I'm allergic to my eye cream. My eyes are like watering.
It's the garlic.
Garlic. Liquids removed. I am no longer a threat to society. Surrender your knife just in case you brought one to the airport. Jonah juice, club sandwich, power shake. What more do you need? Actually, I need a coffee as well. That's what else I need. Delivered. Cheers, man. This one. So I've never understood people waiting in the queue to board the plane. We're all getting on the same plane. And I'm the last person to get on this flight. It's starting to rain here. And it's 15 degrees out in Barcelona, so pretty excited for that. So I've just gone and bought the Barcelona card. 3-day one for 23 euros and a 4-day one for 30 euros. And that gives you unlimited travel throughout Barcelona and also a return to and from the airport. So Rachel's doing my videography now from an iPhone. We're going to compare how the iPhone looks in comparison to this 600, 700 pound piece of kit.
Did you do
Did I do what? I didn't do a time
I
lapse.
didn't think you did.
I didn't do a time lapse.
So I thought I'd be nice and
Yeah.
try and get some footage for you.
Just thinking ahead. To get to the metro from the terminal that we landed, which was over there, we had to walk back in the other terminal, up through this alleyway thing, 10-15 minute walk I think, to the metro station. And then the metro is about a 45-minute journey into the centre. And Uber is about 40 euros. Or you can get a travel card for 5 days, which is also 40 euros. And that gives you free travel throughout Barcelona, there, back. We're at the station, Barcelona Airport, and we're going to, I don't know, somewhere in the city centre.
Zona universitaria.
So all these arrows are a lot more confusing than I thought. Like, I'm not doing a very good job of navigating through the metro system here. I've just sent her up, then told her to come back down, and actually we were meant to go up, so that's where we're gonna go. Popcorn Because who needs popcorn when you got Topcorn? But this is my solution to avoiding the pickpockets. Stick your rucksack or your backpack on your front, so it becomes a front pack. Getting these things for Mum, because she absolutely loves them. If anyone knows a place in the UK that sells these, please let me know. Put it in the comment section. I need another of these because I'm currently pretty dysfunctional, so this will help me. This will definitely help me, and this makes me happy. Got the Arc de Triomphe behind me. From whatever station that was. It was an accident, but guess what? We made it to a destination, we made it to a place, so.
The Arc de Triomphe station.
Okay, so it is actually the Arc de Triomphe station, and that is the Arc de Triomphe in the background. Who did it better, the French or the Spaniards?
I think the Spanish.
No excuse to not get the password correct.
What is the password?
Password's Wi-Fi. Wow, beautiful. Whose is this? Oh, I like this song. You guys made a cake. I already know. First impressions. This place is pretty
Beautiful.
sick. Views up here, amazing. There's a bar up here.
Swimming pool.
Go for a little dip. If you fancy a dip, you can go for one. Cool down in this freezing cold weather.
I feel like the city museum history will be a nice foundation for the trip.
So let's do it. I'm gonna go over here.
This is part of a church that was contained within the walls of the Roman city Barcelona. Meow.
So we've just got to the first restaurant. We've ordered so much food: padron peppers, chicken, grilled octopus, croquettes, paella. Padron peppers have already arrived. Taste test. They're very bitter, the padron peppers. Amazing. What are the flavours? The leek, the ham, the egg. They all complement one another. The octopus with, I don't know what sauce it is. Good. Very good. Wow. Oh wow. Criticism I would make though is the music.
It's breakup. Always. Music nearly made me cry.
She came to your restaurant, you made her cry.
But the food was amazing.
Food was amazing, octopus was fantastic. Music.
So good.
Ciao. I like the shops out here. Like the shops in Barcelona are very light and colourful. Just like you on the plane. We're getting water because we don't know if we can trust the water from the taps in Spain. Because you definitely can't in Ibiza. You definitely can't in Ibiza. So what do you want to do tomorrow? What kind of things?
Would love to go and see all the architecture.
Right, that's a very broad statement to say in Barcelona. So we're going to do Park Güell in the morning. Apparently, you can get in free because the ticketing office doesn't open until 8:30 in the winter months. So if you get there before...
I think that I'm going to go in before 8 AM.
Oh yeah, we were going to for 8 AM.
I swear to God, I will be
Like 7 AM
waking up, having a nice coffee,
Okay.
morning routine.
Alright, fine. So we might as well just go out for a drink now then, like obviously.
No, I
Like
feel
we're
like
out, aren't we?
I feel like you're trying to wind me up.
No, it's fine.
Wacky breakfast.
Alright, breakfast.
Who starts their day at that time?
Me when I'm on vacation.